Josh, are you okay up there?
I'm good.
He's like, I'm fine.
I'm gonna try her cookies against your cookies.
Sit down, sit down.
What's a little rain?
Yeah. Guess it could be worse, but. Yeah.
And they could have canceled the
fire.
fireworks. Oh, I'm so glad they used to be afraid of them. Still have a little bit.
James, what do you think of the fireworks so far?
I just said I was afraid of them, but I'm still. Wait.
I've been used to sit down in your chair. I wiped it off.
Ooh, that's what I was doing.
No. Yeah, you practice it that way.
Fireworks, huh?
Yeah, you're missing the fireworks of it. You can do that later.
They'll be over. They're not long. Right. They're going to be over for about 5 minutes. And they don't.
And the rain's getting even harder.
Yeah, I know. Can you put your umbrella or your hoodie up? Put your hood up a little bit. I know, but you're in between the rain and still getting your head wet, buddy.